Have you ever wondered if AI is truly free in Notion? It's a question that's been on the minds of many users who have been exploring this powerful productivity tool. Let's dive in and find out. Notion has become a go-to platform for many people due to its versatility and flexibility. It's a place where you can jot down notes, create databases, and even design websites. But with the rise of AI, the question has naturally arisen. Can you harness the power of AI within Notion without paying a dime? The free tier. Let's start with the most obvious place. The free tier. Notion offers a free plan that provides a solid foundation for most users. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of the paid plans, it does include some basic AI features. Basic AI features. Text suggestions. Notion can suggest words or phrases as you type, helping you complete your sentences more efficiently. Formula suggestions. If you're working with databases, Notion can suggest formulas to help you perform calculations or automate tasks. Limitations of the free tier. While the free tier offers some AI features, it's important to note that there are limitations. Feature restrictions. Some more advanced AI features, such as natural language processing or complex data analysis, may be locked behind paid plans. Usage caps. There might be limits on how much you can use AI features within a certain time frame. Paid plans. If you're looking for more advanced AI capabilities, you'll need to consider one of Notion's paid plans. These plans offer a wider range of AI features and often come with increased usage limits. Advanced AI features. Natural language processing. Notion can understand and respond to your queries in a more human-like way. Data analysis. You can use AI to analyze large datasets and extract valuable insights. Customizable AI models. In some cases, you may be able to train your own AI models to perform specific tasks. Pricing and value. When deciding whether to upgrade to a paid plan, it's important to weigh the cost against the value you'll get from the additional AI features. Consider your specific needs and how much you're willing to spend. Cost analysis. Compare the pricing of different plans and the features they offer. Value proposition. Determine if the extra cost is justified by the benefits you'll receive from the advanced AI capabilities. Alternatives and integrations. If you're not ready to invest in a paid Notion plan, there are other options to consider. Third-party AI tools. You can integrate third-party AI tools with Notion to access more advanced features without paying for a Notion premium plan. Open source alternatives. There are open source alternatives to Notion that offer AI capabilities without any cost. So, is AI truly free in Notion? The answer is both yes and no. While the free tier provides some basic AI features, more advanced capabilities are often locked behind paid plans. Weighing the options. Ultimately, the best decision for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Making an informed choice. Consider your options carefully before deciding whether to upgrade to a paid plan or explore alternative solutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.